Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the payout failed on Gumroad in 2026. Are you seeing a payout failed message on Gumroad? Don't panic. This usually means there's an issue with your payout details. So let's fix it step by step. Now let's start by the first step. As you can see on my screen, this is one of the errors you might be encountering. Says that the payout is failed due to payment information errors. So in order to fix this issue, you have to check the bank details. You're gonna go to the settings in your Gumroad dashboard by clicking on dashboard here, and you're gonna click and scroll all the way down in the left sidebar where you're gonna look for settings. Now you're gonna click on the payment section and you're gonna verify your account number, your routing number, your bank name, your country selection. Even one wrong digit can cause failure, so make sure to check all the digits. And the second thing is to verify your identity. Incomplete tax or identity verification can block payouts. So make sure you verify your identity. And after that, you're going to check the account name match. Your Gumroad account name should match your bank account name in order to be able to pass the transaction. So make sure you match the bank account's name. And after that, you can also contact your bank. Some banks block international transfers automatically. So wait for retry recycle, and Gumroad may retry payouts automatically after correction. Now also avoid frequently changing payout information unless necessary because it can trigger the flagging system. Payout failures are usually banking or verification issues. Once corrected, payments typically resume normally. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.